I am going to show three ways to append an item to the beginning of a list. So let me create a list. You can see in this list three items are there, 5, 6 and 7. So I am going to append one new item to the beginning of this list. Option 1, we can append it like this. We can use the insert method of list object. Then here we need to specify the index 0. 0 means the beginning of the list. Then item which you want to append. Now let me check the list. You can see for here the beginning of the list. So let me show the option 2. So we can use this slicing. So this will append this 3 to the beginning of the list. Let me run it. Then check the list. You can see 3 here. This is the second option. So let me go to the third option. So this is a third option. You can use this plus sign. So this is the value which I need to append to the beginning of the list. So let me run it. Then check the list. You can see 2 here. So these are the three options. So this way we can append a new item to the beginning of the list. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.